Hey everyone! If you've been looking for an easy way to send professional emails, grow your audience, and stay connected with your customers without needing to know any code, then you're going to love this. In today's video, I'm walking you through SendGrid, one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly email marketing platforms out there. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just starting your email list, I'll show you step by step how to get started, from creating your first campaign to sending it out with confidence. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the pricing plans. So click here to see pricing plans. Alright, so down here you can see the different plans available. You've got the free plan, which is $0 per month for 60 days. With the free plan, you can send 100 emails per day. Then you've got the essentials. This costs $19.95 per month, and you can send 50,000 to 100,000 emails per month. You've got the pro version, which starts at $89.95 per month, and you can send 100,000 emails to 2,500,000 emails per month. And then you've got the Premier Custom Pricing Plan. So this plan is customized for exactly what you need, and you have to contact sales to get this plan. So these are the plans available, so you can go down here if you'd like to know more about the details of each of these plans. Alright, to get started, you click on Start for Free. So to sign up, you're going to need your first name, last name, email address, and a password. Alright, so make sure your password contains all of these characters and then verify that you're human. But you can still sign up with Google if you'd like that instead. Okay, so let's carry on. Now you need to get your email verified. A code has been sent, so go to your inbox, get the code, and type it in. SendGrid is also going to need your phone number. Yeah, so it's going to need it to verify you during login through two-factor authentication. That's if you select this option, but if you'd prefer a voice call, you could also use this option here. Next, you're going to be given a recovery code, so you're going to have to save this. Just keep it safe because you might need it in the future. Okay, now you're going to have to tell SendGrid a bit about yourself. Your first name, last name, and your email auto-populates, but you're going to have to add your company name, a company website, and your phone number. Alright, so as you can see here, there are a couple of more steps, but we're just going to skip this so we can go straight to the dashboard. If this is your first time here, that's no problem. It's no need to worry. It might look like a lot, but I'll walk you through exactly what you need. Okay, so on the left hand menu, you see a bunch of options. You see email API, marketing, design library, stats, and the rest. So for email API, this is mainly for developers or apps that want to send emails using code. And then you've got marketing. This is where we'll be working today. It includes everything for creating and sending campaigns. Then you've got your design library. This is where your email templates are stored. You can create reusable designs here. And then you've got stats. Once you start sending emails, this shows you how well your campaigns are performing. Then you've got activity. This gives you a log of all email activity on your account. And then validation. This is helpful for checking the quality of your email list and avoiding fake or invalid addresses. Then you've got suppression, settings, Then right in the middle here, you see your welcome checklist to help you get started. So first you can see send a single send. That's just SendGrid's term for a one-time email campaign. Then you've got a learn about email sending options. So this is helpful if you're curious about both API and marketing tools. And then you've got finish account setup. You want to confirm your account email address, authenticate your sending domain, and add your payment information. All right, so before you can send any emails with SendGrid, you need to set up your sender identity. This just means telling SendGrid who the emails will be coming from, like your name, email address, and company details. So once you create a sender identity, it's going to look something like this. So let's go ahead and click on it, create sender identity. So it says here that you're required to include your contact information, including a physical mailing address, inside every promotional email you can send in order to comply with the anti-spam laws. Alright, now let's head over to marketing. So just go to your left hand menu. So if you click this drop down, you're going to see a couple of features here. So first you see automations, next single sends. So this is the most important one for now because a single send is basically a one-time email campaign, like a newsletter, a product announcement, or a welcome email. So that's for single sends. And then we've got contacts. So this is where your email list is. You can add individual contacts, upload a list, or create segments based on different groups of subscribers. You need to add contacts before sending any email. So click on contacts. All right, so here you can see add contacts. So you can upload a CSV file or just add your contacts manually. All right, so that's for contacts. Then next you've got your senders. So this is where you manage your sender identity. You need to verify your sender before you can send out any campaign. Then you've got unsubscribe groups. This is optional, but it's useful if you plan to send different types of emails. It lets your subscribers choose what kind of emails they want to receive or stop receiving without unsubscribing from everything. All right, so let's try creating a list. So you just go to create, click on new list. All right, so once you're done naming your list, you save it. Excellent. So now our list has been successfully added here. Now let's create our very first email campaign in SendGrid. So from your dashboard, head over to the left-hand menu and then select marketing. So just click this drop down here. Then you see single sends. So just click on single sends. All right, so this is where you create one-time email campaigns like newsletters, announcements, product updates, basically any email you want to send once to a group of contacts. All right, now we're at the selection stage. You've noticed two options here. So you've got your email designs. This is where your saved or previous templates will show up. But since this is our first time, it's empty for now. Then you've got the SendGrid email design. This is where you'll find templates provided by SendGrid to help you get started. So if you click on it, you're going to see a couple of options. So if you still want to start from scratch, you can select a blank template. Go to the design editor. Just click select. All right, so this is your editor now, and so you've got a couple of tools here. You can change the send name, so you can fill in a single send name from sender, subject, pre-header, categories, recipient, and then down here you can even test your email. So if you want to know what it's going to look like when it's sent to your contacts, so you can just use this option here. All right, so for this tutorial we won't be building from scratch, so let's just go back and get a template. All right, so we're just going to select a template from here. So let's see which one. Okay, so let's go with this one. Just click select, go to the design editor. So as you can see here, it already gives you a nice clean layout, and you can quickly just customize the content without spending too much time building the structure from scratch. So you can go ahead and customize the template. If you want a different image, you can just click on edit image, click on edit, and it's gonna take you to a page where you can just choose images to upload, or you can just drag and drop them here. If you also would like to change the call to action, you just come here, click on it, and change the text. And you can even change the background color to a different color. If you want to change it to maybe, you want to make it darker, you can change it. If you want to change the call to action to something like learn more, yeah, so you can also do that. And once you've made the changes, just click on save and the changes will reflect. Then just down here, you've got your recipients. So once you select recipients, the previous list you've created will pop up here, just like the newsletter. You can see it's here, or you can even upload contacts. Then if you'd like to exclude specific recipients, you can just toggle this on and you can choose the recipient you'd like to exclude. So once you're done, you can just review the details and send. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.